Dang jet, trying to make a video here. Come on now. You know, 2020 has been a real kick in the teeth for a lot of folks. So taking the time to just enjoy yourself and get out on the trail has been something that a lot of people have turned to just because there's nothing else to do. So as you head into the backcountry, take the time to educate your friends and neighbors. If you know something, say something. You know, if you see people out in the backcountry and they're littering, say, hey man, that's not cool. Use your social media as a chance to educate people. Use hashtag leave no trace. Do the hashtag gallon bag challenge. Do all these things because they not only help you, but they help educate the folks that are heading out into the backcountry for the first time. Next one is consider your goals. Is your goal to get out and have fun? Is it to make a fastest known time? Determine what it is that you're going out there for. If your goal is to have fun and you find that you're hurting and you're not having fun, maybe it's time to slow it down a little bit. Reevaluate your priorities. There's nothing wrong with taking a break. There's nothing wrong with stopping and eating an extra meal. You know, have fun. Enjoy yourself. That's the whole point, right? Another thing that you can do when you're exercising and conditioning for your hikes is step downs. These are a really easy exercise to do. All you need is an elevated platform. You can start with something that's 2 to 3 inches high with no weight and work your way up to something that's taller. But really it's going to be an easy way to strengthen the backside of your legs so that as you're coming down off of hills, you don't get jelly legs. So you're going to start by coming up with one leg and you're just going to come down, touch your heel to the ground and come back up. And you're going to do that in a couple of rotations, both legs, and that's going to make it so that you have more confidence as you're descending and as you are coming down off of these hills on your hikes. So that's a really easy one. Do 10 or so on each leg. That's going to be a really easy way to get some extra conditioning on the backside of your legs. Another major thing to consider is hydration and energy. Your food and your water is what you're getting you out there. So take some time, hydrate. If you're filtering water, whenever you filter water, drink a bottle, you know? There's lots of ways that you can get ahead, but making sure that you're hydrated and that you have the calories that you need to keep going, those are two major tips for having a better time backpacking. The next major thing is get out there. Take some time to get out on the trail. Now, I like to have a day pack with me. It holds all my goodies, my 10 essentials, make sure that if I meet somebody that's in trouble out here, I can help them out as best I can. But I go out on the trail every Saturday with my kids. I toss one of my kids in the backpack, and you know, a 25-pound toddler is a really good training weight for my backpacking weight. So find some time to get out on the trail. That can be a lunch walk, that could be doing the stairs at lunchtime, whatever it is, finding time to get out on the trail. Even just parking farther away when you go to the grocery store and getting those extra steps in will help you be more prepared when you get out on the trail. The next one is something that not a lot of people think about, but will help you get significantly better sleep. If you're using a backpacking pillow, or if you're using a stuff sack with clothes as your backpacking pillow, for the first couple of days before you go, so let's say the week before you go, sleep with that as your pillow at home in your bed. The fewer things that you can change about your sleep routine, the better. And the reason is you get what's called first night fatigue. And it's something that they've actually studied in sleep science labs, that the first night that you do something different, you sleep worse. So if you're only going on a 1 or a 2 day backpacking trip, let's say you're going, Friday night to Saturday or Saturday to Sunday, that one night's sleep can make a significant difference in how you feel the next day on the trail. So the more that you can do to help yourself have a better night's sleep, the more comfortable you're going to be the following day. So by reducing the number of things that are different, so like using your backpacking quilt or your pillow at home before you head out on the trail, is going to help you have better sleep and it's going to help you have a better time overall. So something to consider. And last but not least, if you want some more backpacking tips and tricks, you can always subscribe to the channel. You can join us over on Facebook at facebook.com/bearoutfitters, and I hope to see you out there. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, please share them below in the comments, and I hope to see you guys out there on the trail. Until then, happy trails everybody.